guys, welcome back to Queen Cartwheel. It's Cora from Queen Cartwheel. I'm Queen Cartwheel, whatever I keep saying, Queen Cartwheel. And today yesterday I got a haircut, and I also got braids. They kind of in my hair are sort of French braids, but they kind of got out because I slept in it last night. And it doesn't look like a haircut at all because I just got it trimmed. But yeah. And you might hear her talking in the video because I just made her talk. You can stop now. You might not stop. Okay. So I want to show you stuff to fidget with. So let's get right into it. Number 1, glue slime. Number 2, clay. And the last one. Here it is. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Click thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell. Peace out, bye. I'm really having a little tired because it's 7 in the morning.